Lesson number 2, Elements of a Story, Fiction. Now that we've gotten the main elements of fiction out of the way, let's look at a few more, such as genre, theme, central idea, foreshadow, mood, idiom, and hyperbole. First, let's look at genre. Genre is types of literature, and there are many different genres such as historical fiction, realistic fiction, poetry, informational, mystery, and many more. Then we have theme. Now, this is the message or lesson in the story. This is what the author is trying to teach you. And it's usually not stated in the story or text super clearly for you. Most of the time, you need to use clues to figure it out. Then we have central idea. This is the main idea or topic of the story. So this is what the story is mostly about, not just a small section in the beginning or a small section at the end or even a small section in the middle, but the bulk of the story or the text, it kind of centers around this one idea or topic. Then we have foreshadow. This is a clue given beforehand or early in the story as to what might happen later in the story. And writers use foreshadowing to build their readers' expectations and build suspense. Next, we have mood. This is where an author will create a feeling or emotion for the reader through the words he uses. For example, it might be a humorous mood or an angry mood, even a sadness kind of mood. But you can also have a peaceful mood or calm, as well as a creepy or eerie mood. Then we have idiom. This is figurative language that are common expressions. They are expressions that don't mean exactly what we're saying, such as the cat is out of the bag, or it's raining cats and dogs, or we hit the road, or even when pigs fly. And lastly, we have hyperbole. This is where an exaggeration is used to create a strong impression. For example, the whole world was staring at me, or you could have knocked me over with a feather. This is also a form of figurative language. How many times have we said, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse?